Chashitsu is a Japanese traditional place used for tea ceremony gatherings. The tea ceremony involves tips in Japanese sensibility concerning nature and tea house, are spaces that reflect such sentiments. Nowadays, teas can be traditional, but also innovative. Innovative. This is the site. The field is located by library and gates. According to the environment, after seeing the site, we found that there are many things around, including cars and bicycles and adjacent houses. It feels like a very messy. In our opinion, in such an environment, if a building is generated without only reason, it will seem out of place. Maybe the parking space and bicycle space need to be removed. We don't want to change too much.
So, how about the concept? So, we concept is connection. Why is connection? We connection the traditional theory and then the modern simple style usually in the form of the footprint by building is the tea house, research window and research window and the ceiling door and get the good view. This is the traditional theory. And then we think we can do function model application, modern simple style can of the tea house poetry and use of the wood with change of the modern architecture style that the tea house has a new different sense. This is the model. Yeah, we use many more boards. Many more boards can the site environment doing the connection. So, and then this board we have the tatami. This the connection the traditional theory. So this the diagram. We work in the diagram. So yeah, maybe the wood will be just cut the tree. We combine the our building. Yeah, this the this is the
so we try to create a simple and modern team without standard walls, so the room could be more connected with the outside. As you can see, we have done 40 rooms to the side, and they are exposed in different directions. And we're trying to do many levels too, so the people could have different points of view of the garden. And as you can see, that's our project.
And then our project is finished.
Does anyone have any question? Can you put it back? Yeah. Do you... prepare the plan again back. Okay, there it is. So this is not a question, it's a comment, but you kind of mix it up because Tokonoma is the highest place and then Nizuya is the lowest place. And so they should be opposite to each other and you just put it together. So it's a very new style of tea room. Okay. But I think the space you create is quite interesting. So not so traditional, but it still keeps the spirit of the tea room.
From the site plan, could you show us the site plan? It would be good if you can have some pictures showing us which direction you're pointing. Which means when you're twisting the box, you show us the direction that you're looking at. That will be more interesting. If not, otherwise, then we thought this is a arbitrarily done. Not on purpose, by simply twisting it. But if you show us the view you're looking at, that will be more.
イアン先生が言ったのは、この茶室はいろんな向きにある茶室なので、その茶室から見える景色の写真と合成した方がさらに伝わるっていう話。OK?
I asked a question. So center of the what is that between Jashi to Jashi and the center being a loop with circle boy. What do you mean in design? 真ん中の上に穴が開いているところはどういう意味の空間なんですか？
空間からは木が一本見えるように設計してて、このセクションで桜を象徴にして、このセクションから分かるように桜とかの日本の木を一本置いて、中心に置いて見えるようにしました。
The room in the middle is different because there's a big sakura tree and they want to show it, the sakura tree as the center of the tea room. Okay guys, thank you. You want to comment?
Well, since you're trying to make a very innovative design, have you ever thought of creating a design with different sizes? Like yesterday we went to Mekong and see a tea house with different sizes of tea room. Would that be an idea that since you have different twisting angles, why not making a different, sizes? So.
Okay, so as you can see in our studio model, we plan to do different size of phones, but when we are doing the 3D model, we didn't have so much time to do just playing all.
Okay, thank you. じゃあみんな拍手をしてください。ちなみにグループ名ありますか？ネーム。OK、私つけます。これ The Cube ってつけてください。キューブ。はい。ネーミングしていきます。1番目はキューブです。はい。じゃあ次来てください。